Hello and welcome to the Chef Ramy kitchen. Today I bring for you simple brioche pudding recipe. For that, I take medium size of 2 pieces of brioche and I'm going to cut into small size. Just like this. Now I'm going to make some sauce for the pudding. I took 5 pieces of eggs, about 110 gram white sugar, 1 tsp vanilla paste, and mix it well. And going to add some milk slowly into the bowl. Keep whisking nicely. And for the flavor, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of rose water just for flavor. And your sauce is ready. So easy. I keep inside and then I take some butter and then apply into the bowl before you put the bread. Then you put the bread one by one. Just like I did. This is so easy and simple. And I'm going to add some raisins on the top. Now I'm going to add slowly that sauce into the bowl. Don't fill up full. Keep some place. When you bake this, and the top bread is a little bit crispy or the crunchy, and all the bottom is really smooth and creamy and like pudding. So you can finish with slice of butter. That give you more taste into your bread pudding. So 180 degree for 10 minutes. There we go. The bread is crunchy, bottom is creamy. This is very good and very simple.